Imagine a world with no insects, no mosquitoes, no wasps, no cockroaches, not a single bug in sight. At first, it sounds like heaven. Finally, a summer without bites, buzzes, or bugs in your cereal. But give it a few days, and paradise turns into something very different. The first thing you notice is the silence. No flies tapping at the window. No bees in the garden. Even the birds sound confused. Because it's not just insects that are missing. It's everything that depends on them. And that's a lot. Let's talk food. Roughly 3 out of 4 crops need pollination, and most of that is done by insects. No bees, no butterflies, no beetles. Means no fruit, no nuts, no coffee, no chocolate. Sure, some plants use wind or water, but not your salad. In parts of China, people already hand-pollinate trees. It works, sort of, but it's slow, expensive, and impossible to scale up. One study estimated it would take billions of dollars and millions of workers to replace insect pollination worldwide. And the results still wouldn't come close. Now imagine you're a bird, or a frog, or a bat. What's for dinner? About 60% of birds rely on insects for food, especially when raising their chicks. No insects means starvation. Not just for them, but for predators above them too. The entire food chain starts to wobble. And then there's waste. Insects are nature's cleanup crew. Dead animals, rotting wood, dung, gone because they eat it. Without them, decomposition slows down. Bacteria alone can't keep up, so things just pile up. Beneath your feet, things get even worse. Insects help keep soil healthy. They aerate it, break down organic matter, and cycle nutrients. Worms get most of the credit, but ants, beetles, and even fly larvae play a huge role too. Without them, soil compacts. Plants struggle to grow. Forests become weaker. And crops need more fertilizer, which brings more pollution. Even trees that don't rely on insect pollination can suffer. Because fungi, bacteria, and roots are part of complex systems that insects support. Break one part, and others fall. Ironically, losing insects might not mean fewer bugs. It might mean more of the wrong ones. Because in nature, many insects keep each other in check. Ladybugs eat aphids. Spiders catch mosquitoes. Dragonflies hunt flies. Remove the balance, and outbreaks happen. Especially in warm regions, where pest control is already a daily battle. Within weeks, global agriculture begins to falter. Within months, food shortages hit the poorest regions first, and prices skyrocket everywhere. Humans might not drop dead overnight, but our modern world depends on a fragile web, and insects are woven into every corner of it. Lose them, and you lose stability. And technology? We're nowhere near building robotic pollinators or insect-mimicking decomposers at scale. Even if we could, they'd be expensive, slow, and terrifyingly easy to break. Insects have been around for 400 million years. They outlived the dinosaurs. They shaped the world we live in. We may find them annoying, but without them, we fall. So next time you swat a fly, maybe say thanks first.